On the 24th of August 2022, Jamaat Ahmadiyya Sweden had the opportunity to welcome the Deputy Mayor of Gothenburg, Nina Miskovsky, to the Nasir Mosque in Gothenburg. The Deputy Mayor represents the Moderat party, which is a center-right political party in Sweden that has been represented in the Swedish parliament for many years. The guest was welcomed by National Muballigh incharge as well as PR Secretary Amir Chaudhry Sahib and a young Jamia student. After brief personal introductions, Secretary PR gave a short presentation about the Jamaat as the guest, who had little previous knowledge, was eager to learn more about the Jamaat. The guest was also introduced to the various works of khalifatul masih, may Allah be his helper, and about the constant efforts that His Holiness makes for world peace. After this short introduction, a very fruitful and insightful discussion was held with the Deputy Mayor. During this discussion, a number of various topics that are important in today's society were discussed over some coffee and traditional Swedish bakeries. The topics included the persecution of Ahmadis, the Quran burnings in Sweden, and the differences between Ahmadis and other Muslims. The visit ended with the guest being treated to a short tour of the mosque. MTA Studios, Sweden.